Hi, I'm Karthik Rannan. I'm the president of the Wall Street Club of BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives while they try to navigate the world of finance. I am happy that we will be able to close this workshop successfully on a very good note.
Hi, I'm Raghunendra Singh and I'm the Technical Director of the Wall Street Club at BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. It was a great amazing conducting this workshop with XLR. The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets, which was very helpful for the people who are interested in the field of finance, business or analytics in general. Thank you.
I attended a workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
The journey was great. Initially, I thought that I was not proficient enough in Excel, but later I came to know there was no prerequisites for it, and then I applied for it, and it was a great course, and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
Good evening, myself Kavya Ganatra. I am from Computer Science Association. I was the POC for this ML workshop conducted by CSA and ACM in collaboration with XLR. The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our technical fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it. Thank you.
My name is Rahul Ulkar. I'm been working as a senior architect in UX systems. So today we are here at XLR Systems for the placement drive, and I really appreciate the placement services that I mean the team that I actually met. We really got a good service and hospital service. Actually, they the way they actually welcome is really fantastic, and I love. This is actually my one of the best experience that I have ever. And yeah, and about the student quality, today actually we had interviews with almost like 25 to 30 students, but the candidates are really good. I mean, with respect to knowledge, with respect to communication, I mean, they are much more familiar about the technologies. Most of the interviews we had in Java, and the students are really fantastic. Thank you.
I'm Hariprasad Bugate. So today we have come here on the behalf of UX Systems, and so we are conducting a drive at XLR. The students here, they are also, we found them very confident. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mayuri Pimple. I have completed my full stack development course from the XLR EdTech Private Limited. The XLR is doing the fantastic job. The XLR placement team is doing the excellent work, and they are also providing the SDP session that boost our confidence at the next level. I would like to thank the whole training and placement team of the XLR for arranging the drive at the XLR Pune office. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Sunita Joshi. I am from Pune. I have completed my full stack development course from XLR. The training provided by the XLR was very fantastic. The placement was provided are also good. There are the various SDP sessions was conducted at XLR office, so that student can enhance their skill and knowledge and crack the interview and boost our knowledge to the next level.
Hello everyone, my name is Omkar Sarve. I have completed full stack developer course from XLR EdTech Private Limited. The training provided by XLR is flawless. They provide good placement support. They doing STP sessions regularly to boost our confidence to the next level. I would like to thank whole XLR team to arrange the campus drive at
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Tasneem. I'm the senior manager at 98 percentile in the HR department. And today we did a wonderful drive with XLR. It was amazing right from the very beginning, from the very first day when I got in touch with them till today. I think it was an extremely smooth journey with them. There were multiple follow-ups done by the representatives in order to check that we would be, what time would be coming, how many people would be coming, what vehicle we would get. To that extent, they were so precise in giving all the information to us. It was extremely great to get associated with them and have a drive at XLR campus. So we are very, very happy that we got a chance to do this. Now, coming to the students, what XLR had, I think they were extremely enthusiastic. They were well prepared. They were aware of what they are coming for. I think there was some back end preparation which they did that was commendable. They also were very confident and they were open to any kind of thing we were asking them to do. That was I think the best part. Now, I really hope we have a very, very fruitful association with each one of them and XLR in future. We are really looking forward to have many more drives like this.
Hi everyone, my name is Prachi Sharma and I'm the Senior Project Manager for IT Department at 90th percentile. So today we were here for this IT bootcamp, right, this technical drive and at XLR. So it was a great experience and I would feel that the students, they are the freshers, right, but it doesn't seem like that. So if I talk about their technical and cognitive ability, they all seems pretty good in that and that's what I felt. And I guess they have been taught pretty well at XLR, so that's how they have performed good in their aptitude and the technical tests. So I wish them very all the best and it was a very great experience over here.
Hi, this is Patan, Technology Consulting Manager from 98th percentile. We visited XLR for the campus placement drive and it went very well today. Miss Ambika, Miss Pragati, everyone received us greatly here and we had a lot of enjoyable time here. The students even had great experience with us. They were interactive, they had good aptitude and all the technological skills they showed. I think they were all well and we really appreciate their time that they spared to us and I think we will be doing a great job. We are expecting a lot of people to be hired from them. Let's see. It was a great experience altogether.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
From entering into the cyber tower to exiting out of this tower, the XLR team has been received me with such a care and pleasure.
I am the part of this XLR since 4 months. From the third month itself, they have conducted the placement sessions from the third month itself, and this is the fourth month, and this is the 90th percentile is one of the placement drive I have attended so far, and attending to this drive is such a good experience for me. All the HRs and the team made us feel very comfortable and confident.
XLR helped me a lot and I experienced a lot of things today. So I'm really hope to be placed in that company. I'm confident about that. Thank you.
Hey, hi guys. Good evening, everyone. Am I audible and clear? Yes, great. Okay. So, thank you for confirmation, guys. Wonderful. You are all wonderful, guys. Okay. So, we'll wait for 2 minutes, okay, before your friends will join us, okay, and we'll start the session. Meanwhile, hi, Disha. Good afternoon. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Kumar Swami. Yesterday you were absent, Kumar Swami. Okay, let me share screen. Please, everyone, open the Git bash. Everyone, please open the Git bash. So everyone open the Git bash. Any questions are there, guys? Any questions? No. Okay, great. So what we discussed yesterday, anyone just give a quick recap in the chat? Right? So up to commit we have completed, right? See, ma'am, you have committed, you have staged it, right? So people asked me whether after restarting of your system, okay, whether it is working or not. No, not MKDIR. We have completed up to Git commit yesterday, Kumar Swami. So this is the last command we have executed. PWD touch, everything. Git commit we have completed. Git status. See, is it in the staging or not, guys? Everyone was asking, right, whether it will be in the still staging after you log off and turn off the computer and log back, right? So it is in the staging, right? We have discussed about it, no? Yes, very good, Samar. So it is already in the staging. It's already in the staging, right? So don't worry, that is the beauty of the Git. Okay, that is the advantage of the Git. Okay, you can keep it your file staging in any time. Okay. Commit to it is not completed. Commit has given as error, right? So when I have executed this command, so we got an error. Some of the people got error. Some of the people has got we got an error, right? We got this error yesterday. By here we have stopped. Right? By here we have stopped. Correct? Okay. Now see here. And what is the command to clear the window? What is the command to clear the window, guys? Clear. Yes. Clear it is. Now, what is the command for change directory? So what is the command for remove the file? If I want to remove the directory, I'm not asking for the directory, dear. So that Abhishek, that is for removing the directory. I'm asking for the removing the file. Right. Okay. RM for file. Very good. Okay. Now, if I want to remove a directory which contains the files, if I want to remove the directory which contains the files, very good. Very good. Very good, Samarth. Very good, Aniket. Very good. Kiran, very good. Gayatri, very good. No, RM. No, Kiran, it is RM-RF, no? Okay. Which contain files. Okay, fine. Fine. Okay. Right. So, good evening, Raghu. Welcome back. Okay. Now, what is the command to initialize the Git? What is the command to initialize the Git? Samarth knows my mind. How do you know, Samarth? I will ask that command. Hey, initialize the Git, Shreya. Very good. How to add the how to move the file from Git repository to staging. Aniket, you are too good, yaar. Staging, Git add. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Sanjay, I'm asking about the moving the file from working directory to the staging. That's why, Kumar Sami, I know you are not present yesterday. I can easily understand. If you give me 1,000 people also, I can easily find out. Very good, Vamshi. Very good, Priscilla. Very good, Kiran. Very good, Payal. Right. Okay. So, right now, very good, Kavali. Very good. So, very good, everyone. You are on the right track. Okay. So now, what is the command to see the status, whether it is in the staged file or not? Very good. Fantastic. 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 Moving, ma'am, that is Sanjay, you are in the means you are saying for moving the file means copying the file from one file to another file. Okay, but I'm asking how to move the file from working directory to the staging. Very good. Fantastic, everyone. Fantastic. Copying the file CP, no? Yes. You are asking the question. Okay. What is the command for using for copying the file? CP. Very good. Fantastic. How to list all the files? How to list all the files? Wow. Very good. Right. And very good. Very good. Fantastic. Fantastic. Thanks. This shows, right? I'm very happy, guys. At least you people are learning something. Very good. Okay. Right. Right. How to open the editor in the Git bash? How to open the editor in the Git bash? VI. How to quit? How to quit from the editor? :WQ. Very good. Very good. Save and quit is Q. Save and quit. Very good. Someone answered Q. Very, very good. Okay. Very good. Escape : WQ. Very good, Prashad. Very good. Very good. Fantastic. Everyone are on the right track. Very good, dear. Very good, everyone. No, Meghna, because I think it's because, XLR host has to give, means I'm a co-host only. Right. Correct. Wakar Ahmad. Full stack. Okay. :WQ, Nupur. :WQ to quit from the VI editor. :Q is for quit, only quit. If you want to save and quit, :WQ. Escape : WQ. First you have to press escape, then you have to press :WQ. Right. Okay, fine. Now, okay, see here. Very good. Just see this. Again, I'm just giving the recap of the story, what we have. Yes, yes. Yes, Kumar Swami, correct. Right. Okay. So, Vakir, I'm going to explain it. Don't worry. Okay. So, give me some time to answer your question. Okay. So, directly I cannot answer the question. Fine. So, just give me some time. I'm reading your questions, Vakir Ahmed. So, I'm not missing any question. Just give me some time. I'll answer it. Okay. See here, guys. So, I'm just clearing out. Now, I want to tell you one more story. So, just a quick recap of yesterday's. Some people asking me to just go through back the yesterday's one. I've taken some pictures so that it will be easy for me to explain for you guys. Cat is the command to display the content of the file. Content of whatever the content is there inside the file, whatever the content is there, that will be displayed using the cat. ls is used for listing the names of the files and folders. That is the difference, Abhishek Iyengar. Not able to open it. Cat displays the content of the files. Kumar Swami. CAT displays content of the files. See here, guys. So this is a very big picture. Okay. Right? Just see this. Don't go with other one. Ma'am, what is merge? What is fetch and all? We are going to discuss everything. We are going to discuss everything what is listed here one by one at a time. Okay. I know what is the flow I have to teach. Kindly understand. If you know already also, if any complicated questions, what for suppose you already know these commands, but you want to ask me some advanced questions, right? At the end of the session, please ask me, not in middle of the sessions. Okay. Now other people are there who is just learning the things. So value their time and my time also and your time also, right? Kindly ask those kind of questions. At the end of the sessions, I'll be happy to ask you guys. Okay. And every command, whatever it is listed here, I'm going to teach you in the next coming days. Don't worry. Okay. I'm not going to run away from here. Okay. I'll patiently one by one command using the same diagram only, I'll teach you. Kindly understand it. Okay. See here. Yesterday we were discussing, right? So we were discussing about the local stages. Yes, correct, exactly. I'm also going to restrict myself there from there. Yes. I'm not going to read any questions there. Whatever you keep it here, it can be for attendance or it can be for any kind of questions. At the end of the session only, I'll open the chat box now. Okay. Or I'll give 1 hour, after 1 hour, I'll give 10 minutes of time for, means 10 minutes of the time to ask the questions. And the questions which is related to the topic which I have discussed, only those questions will be answered. If the questions are not related to this topic, right, I'm not going to answer those questions right now. You note it down in the book. At the end of the session, please ask me. I will be happy to help you guys. Okay, right? So please, because this is a topic where people get confused. Okay, kindly understand that. See here, right? Yesterday we were discussing, right? Now, let me just have a recap, quick recap, so that it will be helpful for you to understand it betterly. Right? So when I'm editing it, I cannot make a bigger size. Okay. Do one thing. Right? Just see this. Here. Okay. Workspace means present working directory. Okay. Means where the folder is available. Your local machine. This will be your laptop. This will be your laptop. And inside the laptop, you will be finding a folder. Okay. That folder is a workspace. By folder it is. Okay. Just assume that yesterday also I have explained the same. I'm also explaining the same again. Okay. Right? Let us assume that. Okay. So I'm going to create some website. Okay. So where I have a login page, register page, right? Everything is there. Now I'm going to create one application called online registration system, something like that. Okay. Now I have some files. Okay. I have some files. Ma'am, you have created Git sample. Now I want to create it my project name. For suppose I am creating a project like Red bus seat booking system, or like Book My Show, movie booking system, right? Or if you want to create some project for your college, or in the future, if you're working for a company, you will be creating one separate folder for your project. Okay. You will not keep all files like this. I have kept it like this. Okay. Some files I have kept it like this. You should not keep the files like that, because you should keep all the files of your project under a folder. Okay. Let us assume that in the XLR itself, okay, I'm going to create a new project for suppose. So if I'm creating a project for right click on it, new folder. Okay, right. I'm going to create online booking system. Online booking system. Online booking system, right? Here I have some code is there. The first code I will create is, right, login.html. I have another code, right? Okay, home.html, right? I got, right? So register.html. Register.html. Listen, just listen. Okay, just listen. Now again you have some files like, okay, right? Contact us.html. So I have some files. Listen, first everyone listen. Don't put anything in the chat, please. First listen, concentrate. So login.html, home.html, register.html, contact us.html. Now I have new files, right? Booking.html, right? So like this, we have some files are there. Now this is our project. Online booking system is our project. Now, what happens is, this is called as present working directory. Wherever your project files are there, that is called as present working directory. Okay. So this is present working directory. Okay. Right. Now, these files, I want to store it in the GitHub. Okay. Git and GitHub I want to store. Right. As I explained earlier in the sessions, right, when you are using the Git, right, it is a centralized version control system. Sorry, distributed version control system, right? And when you are writing the distributed version control system, the advantage of the distributed version control system is, right, it will have a local repository. If this is a working copy, not only working copy, you will find one more copy also. That is local copy. Working copy, local copy, and this is remote copy. Okay, remote copy is stored in the GitHub. Remote copy is stored in the GitHub. Okay, remote copy is stored in the GitHub. Okay, so now this is the local copy. I want to create a local copy of it. How to create a local copy? Right? The first command to execute the local copy is first see. I'll give the time for once again. I'll repeat it. Okay. Now I want to open this. I want to open this online booking system. system in the GitHub. Okay. See here, I don't need to go to the GitHub and open it. See, very easy. Just see this. Right click on this. Show more options. Git bash here. See, this file, this folder I want to open. See, C drive, XLR, online booking system. How to open it? See here, whichever the folder you want to store it in the Git, right? Okay, so any folder, okay, you can use. Any folder you can use. Okay, now this folder, online booking system, I want to store whatever the files are there. I want to make a local copy first, and then I want to store it in the remote copy. Okay, so that my data will not lost. My code will not go waste. Means if my system is not working also, right? If something happens to my laptop or if something happens to my local repository, I'll be having remote repository. If something happens to remote repository, I'll have a local repository. Okay, right? So, right? Okay. Now what happens is then how to create a local repository? What is the command to create a local repository? Okay. So to create a local repository, right? First you need to open that folder. You need to open that folder, right? Now right click on this. Right click on the folder. Show more options. Git bash here. Directly, don't need to use cd command and all. Change directory command. Directly you are able to open the folder in this Git bash. So the second way is open the Git bash, right? cd. Now open this file. Just copy it. Copy the path. Paste. Right? Now, if you have the multiple files, keep it in the single quotation. Multiple means space is there, right? Here. If you have space, it will not take. So you need to keep it in the single quotation. Then enter. See, at one shot, I'm able to change it. This is the path of the file folder. Sorry, this is the path of the folder and this is the CD. Path of the folder and this is the CD. Either you can do like this or open the folder, right click on the folder, show more options, Git bash here. Git bash here. Right? Okay. Like this you can create files. Okay. Now I want to store this file. See, I want to see what are the files available here. ls. I want to see what files are available. Okay, ls. Okay, don't go with the extensions and all. Okay, don't say that, ma'am, you have html.txt and all. Some files I have, that's it. You have to think only that one. Okay, names of the files and that is the project. I have some files and I want to store these project files into the local repository. Only keep that in mind. Don't go with the spellings, extensions and all. Okay, right? Now see here. I want to store all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 files are there. I want to store it in the local machine. I want to store it in the local machine, right? Okay, git init. Git init is the command to create the local repository. Git init is the command to create the local repository. Git init is the command to create the local repository. Right? Enter. Enter. See? Initialized empty Git repository. Initialized empty Git repository. See, same thing ls I'll do. It will not show any local repository. Right? Now ls-a. ls-a is the command to view the hidden files. Okay, along with the files, it will also show the hidden files and folders also. See, there is a .git. This is the local repository. What is the local repository? It will create an local repository with the name .git. Git init is the command. Git init is the command, right? So which will help us to create the local repository. Empty Git repository has been, see here, initialized empty Git repository. Initialized empty Git repository. Now see here, these are some of the files. These are some of the files, right? Okay, now these are the, see, once I have executed Git init, it has created an hidden folder. Why it is hidden folder? I explained yesterday, for security reasons. Right? So you cannot show this file for everyone. Okay, you will have a locker, right, in your home, right? Only few people will have an access to the locker. You cannot, everyone cannot open the locker in the home, right? Similarly, yes, anyone can delete it, yes. So no one should delete it. No one should have an access to it. So it will be an hidden file. It will be an hidden file. Okay, right? Now, so I want to add these files to staging. I want to add these files to staging. I explained it already. Staging is like a cache, buffer, okay, or you can call it as buffer or cache or some stage where you will just rest the some of the files before you are moving into the local repository. To speed up the process, to speed up the commit means to speed up the process. Ma'am, how to speed up the process? What is the need of speeding up the process? I'm only inserting 5 files, right? Why it is to speed up? Because in the real time, when you are pushing the code, it may not be a like 0 KB. Here it is 0 KB files. Okay, so it may not be the 0 KB files. Sometimes you need to push some 100 MB files also. Sometimes you need to push 100 MB files also, right? So which is little bit fatter files I can say, right? Maybe 20 files, 30 files also you will move at a time. You'll move into the repository at a time. So to speed up the process, right, we will be using this cache. We'll be using this cache. Right? Okay. Now, here, how to move into the Git? So one file, if I want to move only one file, git add, here it is there. Git add is the command. Git add is the command to move from working directory to the staging area. So one file, if you are only one file, if you are moving, right? For suppose booking.html.txt, if I am moving, I can write like this. I want to move all the files. I want to move all the files. Git add space dot. Git add space dot. Dot means all files and folders. Git add space dot. Git add space dot, which will move all the files to the staging. Which will move all the files to the staging. Okay. So how many of our files are there which is not on the staging, right? All files will move to the staging. Okay, right? Now enter. Right? Okay. Now, if you want to move, right? Okay. So git status. Git status. Right? Okay. So all the files are in the staging. Now, let me know, right? Any questions are there? Now I'll take the questions. right? So what I'll do is, Bhavna, I'll tell you that, dear. I'll tell you, ma. I'll tell you that, Bhavna. I'll explain that, master. Everything. Branch, when I'm speaking about the branch, I will explain that. Don't worry. Git status command is used to check which are inside the staging or which are not in the staging. Jinka Venkata Surendra. That and all is not required for now. Okay. So you go and check. You will get it in the net. Don't worry. No, commands are not starting with the CD. No, because only for changing the directory, I'm going to do it. So in Windows, when you open your Office laptop, okay, you will not have an access to see the hidden files, Mr. Wakir Ahmad. Okay. The system admin will restrict it. If you want to restrict it, you can also put the security and restrict it for your laptop, Windows. So in your Office laptop, no one can see. They will have a restriction. You need to have admin privileges. Then only you can change the settings of the Windows in Office laptop. So it is secure only. Don't worry. Yes. Yes, Kumar Swami. Dot symbol only, it is hidden files. Okay, right. Now what I'll do is, I will explain that, Kumar Swami. I didn't went there, okay? Please wait for some time. I'll explain it. I'm sharing the screenshot of this because I'm not able to paste it full one. So if you want to download and keep it, just keep it. So 2 screenshots I have shared. Now let us do together. Okay. Let us all of us do together. Okay. Now see here, like how I have created. So I have created one folder, right? Folder I have created. Similarly, it's okay. Yesterday folder is there, ma'am. I want to use the same folder. You can use it. That's not a problem. But I want you people to create a new folder. I'm deleting this old folder. In XLR, right click on it, new folder, create an app, okay, HRMS, Human Resource Management System application. This is the name I have given. See, when you give the same names what I have given, it will be easy for me to track what you people are doing it, okay. So better, this is the name I have given for the folder. Create that folder. Created, everyone? Like this folder is created. Yes, very good, Kushi. Anyone else? Reply me soon. Very good, Nidya. Very good, Sanket. Very good, Sinu. Very good, Sanjaya. Very good, Surendra. Samarth. Where is Samarth? Where is our Aniket? Where is our Kavali? Aditi, Kavali, Siddhant, Sushant, Raghu, Mr. Raghu. See, I'm shying here because my husband name is also Raghu. Okay, Aryan. Very good. Very good, Kiran. Someone with two smileys. Who is that great person? Without the name, there is a someone with two smileys are there. Who is that great person? How we can catch your name, buddy? Seriously, yes. Two smileys are there instead of the name. That two blushing smile. With whom he is blushing, I don't know. Is for displaying the hidden files, Surendra. Right? Okay. Now, open the file, open the folder. Open the folder. Open the folder. C drive, XLR, HRMS application. Open the folder. Then right click on the folder. Show more options. Git bash here. There is an option called, if you right click, there is an option called open Git bash here. Click on this. Now you could have seen this path. Yes. If you have seen this path in your Git, please tell me yes. Very good. This is your, just execute PWD. Once you open it, PWD. Very good, Kiran. Okay. Execute PWD. I'm explaining again for the people who missed it. One more time, right click on it. Show more options. There is an option called open Git bash here. Right? Git, sorry, PWD. It will show the path. Just check you are in the right path or not. This is present working directory. This is present working directory, right? Now execute git init to create the local repository. Execute git init to create the local repository. Execute git init to create the local repository. Very good. Now just see here, git config I'm writing. Okay. Ma'am, commit command we got error, right? How many of you remember commit command we got an error, right? Oh. Is it git permission denied? Can you share the screenshot, Sneha? Okay. So how to solve that git commit error? Git commit error, right? So we need to set our email and username. Email and username. . Just a minute. You miss Neha, got some error. See, Sneha, you have created the folder inside the program files. See this where you have created. You don't have any drives. C:/program files. Under that you have created the folder. Under the .git you are executing, right? You should create outside the C drive or in the D drive anywhere, Sneha. Because I don't have D drive. Okay, so that's why I've created in the C drive. And that too in the C drive also I have not created directly. I have created under the one folder I have created like this XLR. Under that, it is not in the program files. That's error, Sneha. Right? See here. Hope you understood, right? Got my point, na, Sneha? Yes. Okay. Great. See here. Git config --global --global right? User.name in double quotation, right? Give your name. I'm giving my name. So don't give my name, okay? If you love me also, please don't give that name, okay? I'm giving the command in the chat. Right? See here, instead of my name, you have to give your name. You have to give your name. Instead of my name, you have to give your name. Right? Once you done, enter. You will have a question, ma'am, what is this --global? Okay. These are the configurations. These are the configuration, means Git configurations, right? This --global, it helps, like for suppose today, if I'm not giving this --global, this configuration only applicable for this particular folder. But I want to apply this same config because I am the user, right? If I want to make this user means username applicable whenever I create a Git, local repository Git, okay? It should consider my name, wherever it is. It can be in Agile folder, it can be in XLR folder, it can be in the FSDX fundamentals, it can be in the Git and GitHub, anywhere in this, right? If I create a Git folder, Git local repository, it should accept my name as a Swapna Renigundla, right? So it is global. Global means anywhere in the file system. Anywhere in the file system. No, that is wrong, dear. Don't write it because I pressed Control C for copying. It is giving that error. So it is error. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't give this dollar. Don't give this dollar. Don't give this one. Please don't give this. Right? Only this one you have to give. You should not give the X or C. Nishan, just check you have given C like this. See, when I'm Control C, I pressed, right? Control C, if I press, it is giving like this. Okay. So, means I tried to copy the command by mistake, na? Control C will not work. So you need to copy, you need to select the file and copy the file, copy the line like this. Copy plus insert is the command for copying it from the command prompt. Okay. So by mistake, Control C I pressed. it will set the Git configurations that your user, who is the user for the, right? Yes, we can press Control plus insert also. Yes, fine. Yes, Sanket. So git config command will set the name for the Git. Means it is identifying your name. You need to give your identification before you commit, before you do git init. Means if you are creating a local repository, you need to identify yourself. Like how you are opening an account and you are giving your KYC details. Similarly, we need to give our details like email and name, and you need to identify yourself that you are the one who are going to create the Git local repository and using it. Got my point, Kiran? See, before opening anything, I will tell you, Ma. I'll tell you. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Baba, like Baba Ramdev, Baba Swapna is there. Hold on, don't worry. Okay, right? So I'm there, don't worry. Okay, right? So done. Right, okay. So now here, I want to set an email also. I want to set an email also. See here, git config -- global user dot email. User dot email. If you remember, in the first day or second day, we have created our GitHub account, right? So can you open that? Open the GitHub. Open the GitHub. Right? This is our, you need to know email, right? Which email you have configured, na? If you forgot, you can write settings, right? So go in the settings, here it is. Here it is. If you click on this, scroll down, you will be finding settings. You'll be finding the settings. Viresh, I have shared some screenshots also, no, Viresh? Did you downloaded screenshots? So that is like a notes only, Viresh. Okay, fine. So open the GitHub. Okay, there is an icon here. Just click on this. Just go, there is a settings option is there. Click on the setting. Just now I explained it, Nupur. Okay, -- global is to set these configurations for all the directories in the local mission. Okay, -- global means globally it is going to set this configuration. Again, you don't need to set the Git configurations, right? It's like how you have an Aadhaar. Once you're done with your KYC, you can just give your Aadhaar number anywhere and then done with the KYC, right? You are not going to create a new identities, right? Similarly, if you want to identify, maybe not in this particular folder, if you want to identify in the coming projects or coming folders also, wherever you are creating the Git local repository, you will be identified with that. That is called as global. Okay, right. Now account, go to the account. Right, I'll be having some, where is my email? Sorry, here, sorry, not in the account. So once you click here, right, settings, right, go to the emails. So in the left hand side, scroll down, there is the emails. So your email will be there. Which email you have given, just give the same email. So copy. Copy. Paste. So this is the email I have given. Okay. So for creating the GitHub account, so I can use this. I can use this. So you are identifying with your email and the username. You are identifying with the email and the username. So I'm giving the command in the chat. Give your own email. Don't give my email. Okay. Right. Enter. Enter. If you have anyone to have a problem to access. Very good, Simran. Simranjit Singh. Anyone, please let me know if these two commands are done or not. I'm even sharing the screenshot. Surabhi, very good, Surabhi. Very good, Krishna. Very good, Sanjay. Very good, Disha. Roxana, where are you, Roxana? Where are you, Samarth? Where are you, Aniket? Vaishnavi, very good. Shiv, very good. Vishal, very good. Where is Hebbe Gowda? Hebbe Gowda went for coffee. Shishant Bonsle, where are you? Yesterday you were there. Today you are not there. Why you people are not following the sessions continuously, guys? Okay, fine. Okay, can you share the screenshot, Isha? Very good, Ahmed. Very good, Roxana. Right. See here, if you want to see whether this configuration is set or not. Siddhant, very good. If this configuration is set or not. Git config -- list. See, git config -- list. Git config -- list. Git config -- list. Very good, Vaishnavi. What happened? What happened, Bakar? What happened, Amar? No error, dear. There is no error, Isha. It's done. No error, Disha. It's correct only, Isha. It is here, Isha Sharma, your name. Here it is Disha Sharma. Very good, Samar. No errors, dear. No errors. Nothing. No errors. No errors, Disha. No errors at all. It's done. Very good, Surabhi. Are you able to see your names, guys? Here, user.name, user.email, you are able to see, right? Very good. Very good, Surabhi. Right. Right. So this is the identification. Okay. Now, if you push also, it will not give any. Very good, Nishan. Very good. I am unable to exit. Okay. Maybe you have not. Okay. You have lot of list is there. Lot of list is there. Control C. Control C. Press Control C. Sanket. Control C. Just press Control C. Control C is a forcible exit. Control C or Control X. Control C or Control X. Someone asked me about control X in nano editor, same exit only. In VI, we are using colon WQ. Last, in the end of the session, I'll answer you, Raghu. Okay. See here, Sanket. Okay. Just press escape, Control C, Control C, or Control X. Very good, Roxana. Very good. Your name is there. Very good. Control Z. Try Control Z also. Vibhu is saying Control Z. It should work. Otherwise, close it and open it once again, Sanket. That's fine. Just close it. Okay. And open the Git bash. That's it. Don't worry. Nothing will happen. The simplest way. The easiest way. Control plus D also. There are different ways here, but I don't know why it is not working. Both you have to work. Both you have to. Okay. Closed and open, done. It seems fine. What is the screen? I didn't understand, Sumano. So what exactly you want me to tell? Output screen. Result, you didn't see anything. There is no result only, na, yesterday. Don't worry. Now you are following, right? Now you are following, na? Now you are getting any output or not? You are getting output now, right? Yes, then fine. No worries. We are repeating all the steps. Yesterday's steps also we are repeating now. Okay? Don't worry. Right? Now, see here, guys. Where is it? In XLR, I have one HRMS application. Wait. Take the screenshot and share it with me, Sumano. Right? Okay. See here, guys. Just see this. Okay. Execute touch login.html space about.html space right register.html space contact.html space right employee dot data employee screen.html right something I have created 6 files I have created. Right, I've given this command. Just create some files. Enter. Very good. Very good, Aniket. So just save these commands. All the images you can save it, guys. It will be helpful for you. Very good. Created. Very good. Git status. Git status. Git status. Very good. Nishant, very good. Git status. Enter. Yes, whatever the files we have created, did you join from Sumano? Did you join from mobile by any chance, or web, or YouTube? YouTube is difficult, na dear? YouTube is difficult, na? Yes. Now, whatever the files are created, right? These are not in the staging. Whatever the files are created, these are not in the staging, right? See, Git status, Git status. What happened, Gayatri? See, git config -- list. You have given wrong command. Check the command. 1 minute. Git config -- list. But you have given here --. You are given here --. So this is the command. Right? Now I want to push them these files, all the files. All these files, I want to push it into the staging. I want to push all these files into the staging area. Yes, yes, Aniket. Very good. Okay, now see here. Git add space dot. Git add space dot. Git add space dot. Right? Now here, okay. Git status again. Now this is in the red color. Sorry, green color. These are in the green color. One second. Right. Now I want this photo screenshot. That's why I've decreased the size. I'll increase the size again. Very good, Nishant. You stayed very good. Okay. I'm also sharing the total screen. Okay. Right. Back. Let's see. Right. Okay, fine. Now here, just see this, guys. Here, clear I'm writing, clear I'm executing. Now I want to send these files to local repository. I want to send these files to local repository. Send these files to local repository into the .git folder. Okay. Now see here. 1 second. Right. Now just see this. Observe here. Very good. Okay. Now just see this. I want to send the look. Before that, I need to execute some. Okay. See, go to the cd.git. cd.git ls-l. Someone was asking, ma'am, how to display the date and time. Okay. So ls-l is the command to display the date and time. See here. Time is 2010, 7:47, right? 2010, 7:47, right? You have like this. And this is the size. This is the size. This 23, 130, 73, 00 is there. This is the size. ls-l, no? Nishant. Yeah, it is there, no, Nishant? Samat, why? ls-l is not displaying the size. It will display hyphen L. If you are given I, it will not display. L it is. Samat. It's hyphen L. Okay, fine, good. Now 1 second. Just see this. Just keep it as a reference. Huh? Okay. I'm also keeping this as a reference. Somewhere I'll copy it. Wait. 1 second, guys. Oh, okay. 1 second. One second, guys. Okay. So I'm keeping it here. Just remember, see here. Okay. Just see the sizes. Okay. Even here also, even I'm not enabled it here. Okay, fine. Now see here. I'm going to push commit. See, come back to the cd space dot dot. cd space dot dot. It should be master. Just see this. Come back. Come back. Okay. Come back to your folder. Don't be in the Git. Don't be in the .git folder. Just see this image, everyone. Download this image and observe it. See, here master. Once I moved it, it is showing the Git directory. Okay. So this is the name of the directory. This is a local repository directory. Someone was asking, ma'am, what is this Git underscore dir? Okay. So this is the name of the local repository. This is the name of the local repository, right? Now, after that, I have displayed the ls-l. Now I came out of the Git by using cd space dot dot. Now I'm back in the master. You should be in the master. I'm telling you, take your time, but complete it properly. Otherwise, commit will not, next commands will not work. Next commands will not work. Very good. Very good, Siddhant. Very good, Vaishnavi. if you are not in the master, like this, after this application, it should show master. It should not show this. So kindly come out. Very good, Aniket. Very good, Simran. Very good, Sneha. Make sure that you are in a master. Right? Now I want to commit. Okay. So I'm clearing out. Git commit -m, right? In double quotation. -m is for C. Let us assume. Okay. Assume. Okay. Ma'am, what is -m? That is the question. That is fine, Sid. Main or master is fine. No worries. Both are same. In the latest versions, it is main. Means I have chosen the name as a master. It is master. Okay. Maybe you have not chosen it master. Maybe you have just given the default installation. It will be main only. Don't worry. It is okay. Right? Okay. Fine. See here. Guys, just see this. I have this file, right? Now, what you will do when you want to save the file, you will click on the save, right? Now what you will do? You will give some name here. Yes. Right. Yes. Correct. Exactly, Sanjay. Right? See here. For suppose I have this file. Okay. Now file, I'm creating save. Right? Okay. Now it will ask some name for our reference. It will ask for our name. Yes. What name you will give? That whatever the name you find, that it is easy to understand. Correct? -m is like the same. -m is for giving some meaningful message when you are storing the files from staging to the local repository. Okay. Now what I'll do? First set of files committed. Or you can just give the name of the files. Meaningful means login space, contact us space, register space, files committed. Some name of the files you can use. My screen is visible, not visible, guys? Is my screen is not visible? Visible, right? Vamshi, please check. Please check your internet connection. Right. Okay. See here. Commit is the, see here. Where is that image? Now, when you executed git add, right? Okay. We are moving the files, means we are copying the files from workspace to the staging, right? Now, before before I send it to the remote repository, right? Okay, we need to store it in the local repository, means that is in the .git folder. That is in the .git folder. Which command we can use? Git commit. Git commit. When you are committing it, so you need to remember the commit name, right? So if you are saving a file, you are giving the save file name, right? To remember what is the file it is, right? Similarly, if you want to commit these files, you are going to save the files into the local repository. If you are saving it, you need to give some reference to that saved files, right? So you are going to give -m. -m is message, meaningful message. Okay. Now, dear, is it visible now? Yes, we can give your name also. You can give, dear. You can give your name also, Sid. Thanks, Sanjay. Confirmation. You can give your name also, but it should be some meaningful. It should be some meaningful. Means what files you are committed. If you give that, you can easily understand that, right? See, if I'm giving this message, I'm easily understand that I have committed login, contact us, register files, etc. Right? So if I give XYZ some funny message I give, for suppose I'll give smiling, something like that. Okay. What I will understand with this message? Wait 1 second, Walker. Let me explain it. Okay. Smiling, if I give, can I understand what files? Nothing, right? Okay. So better to give the file names which you are committing. Okay. Like login, register, contact as etc files committed. So that I can easily understand that what files I have committed into the local repository. Enter. Enter. See, yesterday we got error. Today we have not got the error because we have added git config, right? So that's why we have not got an error. Very good. Nishant, very good. Very good, Kiran. Yes, it's correct. It's correct, Kiran. Done. Very good, Samad. So the error solved, Aniket? Correct? Right. Yes. So whenever you are creating the Git, once you install the Git, once you install the Git, right? Yes, 6 files are committed. For me, 5 files I have created. So 5 files are committed. You have created 6 files, 6 files would be committed. That's fine. Good. Okay. So whenever you are creating the Git, means once you install the Git in your mission, at least one time you have to execute git config. At least one time you have to execute git config. Directions. What is directions? I don't know. Can you please, Harshada, can you please share the screen? Say in screenshot. I am not able to understand. Means what exactly, where exactly it is showing the directions? Okay. So whenever you are installing, okay, where are means from deletions, it is not deletions. Deletions are means if you have removed any files, right? Deletions. Yeah. Deletions, insertions and deletions. Insertions and deletions. Means if you have any files that is means already you have committed files. If you have changed any files, right? That will be insertions and deletions will happen. Okay. Right. So done. Right. So this is how you can push the data from local to the, staging to the local. Now I want to, ma'am, I'm excited. I'm excited. How to connect my GitHub and Git. How many of you are excited? Excited in the chat, please. Ma'am, how to store the files from local to the remote? Yes, let's go. Right, very good. Exactly. Okay, right. Now see here, go to your GitHub, this github.com, go to your github.com, go to your github.com, go to your github.com, right? So create a new rep, click on the new like this. Okay. So just go to the home page, right? It will show here green color new. In the home page, right? It will show home new here. New here. Click on the new. Click on the new. Right? So give here, what is the name we have given? HRMS application, right? Same name you can give so that you can easily understand. This repository is to that repository. Matching. Okay. Right? So you can use this, right? So that you can understand that this HRMS is connected to this remote repository. Give the same name like this. Like this. Space will not be up. will not be taken. It will take it as HRMS hyphen application. Don't worry. Okay. But some connectivity is there, right? Now just go scroll down. Don't select anything. Don't select anything. Just give the name, scroll down and create repository. Don't select anything other than that. It is already public is there. HRMS application, right? Scroll down, create repository. Create repository. Click on the create repository. It is easy to identify Sid, right? So you cannot say, right, ma'am, here I have written Sid. I will write DIS inside the registration folder, means in attendance, right? You cannot write like that. No, Sid is Siddin anywhere. So just to identify, means for our understanding, for our brain to make less stress on our brain, we are giving any name you can give. Any name you can give, it's your choice, but recommended, best use, right? Best one is give the same name as your folder name so that you can easily understand that this remote one is connected to this local. Right? So create repository, done. So CR in the chart, if you have created the repository and if you are able to see like this, the screen. Very good, Joshi. Anyone else? Very good, Kavli. Very good. CR. CR. Done. Done. Very good, Ahmed. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now we need to connect local and the, right? We need to connect local and the remote like this. In this diagram, right? From here, we need to push the data from local to the remote repository. From local to the remote repository. How? Okay. Just scroll down. See here. Just scroll down. See here. You can see git init, git add, git commit. Okay. Right? Now there is a git remote add origin. Git remote add origin command. Copy this. From here only you have to copy. I will not give because it will be easy for you. Just copy this first, second, third, fourth, fifth command. Fifth command. Fifth command. Sure, Sumana. Okay, she can share. No worries. So this is the fifth command, sorry. Fifth command. Just copy this command. Just copy this command. Select this command and copy this command. This command, whatever the git remote is there, the command is used for connecting the front end with the back end. See here, git remote add origin, right? Okay. I'm adding the remote to the local. I'm adding the remote to the local. Okay. Before I jump into this, guys, please don't execute it. Just observe. Just observe. You people don't do it. You people don't do it. Give me 2-3 minutes. Okay. I'll execute. See here. Just observe. Just observe. It is for only for explanation. Okay. This is only for explanation. You please don't do it. Is there any change anywhere? Did you see anywhere the change, timing changes, everything? Yes, right? Here it is. 824. We have logs and objects, right? Okay. Now just see this. Just see this. Just observe, guys. Okay. CD space. See here, there are some folders, right? Okay, so just now 824 it is created 2B, right? See here, just see this. Right? Okay. Now, at 24, one object is created, na? Right? Now, just see the magic. Just see the magic. Teachers, there are 40 characters are there. And this is the, what is this? Anyone? Did you remember this? What we have, what is this? Commit message, right? Correct. Commit message, yes. We have given this as a commit message. And there is a commit ID. This is called as commit ID. This is called as commit ID. Correct? Commit ID, right? Now see, just see this. Just see this. Just observe this, okay? Is this ID and whatever I am displaying using ls hyphen inside this path, is it same or not? See, just observe every character, it is same. No, it is same only, dear. You can just carry, see, 99554 EE 7F CC. You see for 2 minutes, you can observe. See here, yes, correct, ma'am, right? Ma'am, how is it possible, right? What I said, when we are discussing, right, it will store a copy inside the .git, correct? Okay, how it will store the copy of your files inside the .git? As, remember this guys, as objects. As objects. Now, how to identify different saving? You have different files, right? So you have committed now 4. Okay. Now I will commit again 4 files. Tomorrow I'll commit more 4 files. How I will identify with one commit to the another commit? Okay. So it will generate an unique ID. Commit ID it is. Commit ID. This is a 40 length, means 40 characters. You can count. You can count number of characters. 40 characters, unique ID will get generated for each commit. Whenever you are committing, an unique ID will generate with for each commit. Yes. For each commit, okay, it will generate an unique ID. We call it as, how it will generate? How it will generate? Using some algorithm. What is that algorithm? Right? Please note it down. Secure hashing algorithm. What is it? Secure hashing algorithm. This is SHA. The shortcut is SHA, right? And this is secure hashing algorithm, right? Secure hashing algorithm to identify each commit. To identify each commit. To identify each commit. Okay. Secure hashing algorithm to identify each commit. To identify each commit. Yes. It will, you can show, if you are hidden files are, means if you have an option to see the hidden files in the Windows also, you can see. Secure hashing algorithm it will generate 40 digit, right? 40 digit commit ID. 40 digit commit ID will get generated. Okay, right? So remember that. So that is how right? Okay, so that is about the what I want to teach you guys. Before I jump into this one, now let me go back again. Right? Okay. Now Git status. Okay. Ma'am, now execute Git status. It will say nothing to commit working tree clean. Means all the files are in the staging. If no files are not, means any file is not staged, that file will be in the red color. If all files are staged, you will get on master branch, nothing to commit or tree clean. Execute Git status and see. Right? Now, after that, copy this fifth line. Copy this fifth line. So to connect the remote with the local machine. What is the use of this fifth line? You can connect local repository to the remote repository. If I want to raise the connection between the local and the remote repository, I have to use command called git remote. Git remote is the command to establish the connection between local and remote repository. So what is the command to establish the connection between git local and git remote? Git remote. Remote, dear, not remote. Remote. R-O-R-E-M-O-T. Yeah. Anyone please put it in the chat, everyone. Git remote is the command to connect local with the remote repository. Git remote is the command to connect local with the remote repository. So I'm seeing only Samad has replied. Please, everyone, please reply. Git remote is the command to connect local with the, yes, yeah. Git remote is the command. Git remote is the command to local to remote. Local with the remote, you can connect by using the git remote command. Git remote command. Now once you paste it, enter. Once you paste it, enter. Yes, Surabhi, very good. Okay. Are you using command prompt or you are using this git bash only, Aniket? Okay. See here, just go to the browser, right click on it and copy. Don't use Control C. Right click on it and copy. Back to here, Shift plus insert. Okay. Or right? Or you can just right click on it and paste. Right click on the paste. Right. If already remote is added, okay, you cannot add the two remotes, you cannot add. One local, one remote. One local, one remote. Very good, Nishant. You did correct. Try to execute once again, Nishant. You will get remote origin already exists. Remote origin already exists. Very good, Aniket. Right? So if you have only one local, one remote, it is like Rama, it is not like Krishna. Okay, to have multiple wives. Okay, Rama has only one wife. Right? Similarly like that. Right? Not like our Salman Khan. Okay. Hey, don't take it in a negative way. I'm just joking. Right. Okay. So, very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So now you know, right? One local, one remote. You can only attach one local with one remote. Ma'am, can we change the remote? Yes. We can change the remote also. We can change the remote also. Later I will show you tomorrow. Now, I want to send these files, whatever the files are there, which I have saved it in the local repository to the remote repository. I want to send the files which I have stored it in the local repository into the remote repository. So, what is the command? Git push. Git push is the command. Git push is the command to send data from the local repository to the remote repository. If you want to save the files from local repository to the remote repository, git push is the command. Okay. Now just execute this. Git push, right? -u origin. I'll tell you what is -u also. Don't worry. Master. So what I'm saying, I have saved some files in the master. I'm sending that files to the origin. Now, where is this origin? Here it is there. What is this origin? Name, short name for the remote. Here you can see, observe here, guys. There is a git remote add origin is there. What is this origin, ma'am? Because instead of referring to the big name like this, so total URL you have to remember, right? Instead of that, we are giving a short and cute name called origin. Okay, this is a short name for remote. This is a short name for remote. Okay, I'm saying that here it is there in master, which is a local. Which one is a local, right? So master is a local, local folder. Okay, I assume that master is a local folder. Now I'm going to send it this local folder to the remote. I'm sending this local data to the remote data. How? By using the push command. Now, once you enter this, enter. -u, I'll tell you. I'll tell you, Aniket, please. See, it will ask for the authentication. It will ask for the authentication. Okay, authentication means it will ask for login. Okay, so to into the GitHub, you need to remember your username and password. Yes, Sid, you have to use origin mail. Yes, Sid, correct. Right? Okay, see, if I cancel this user cancel dialog, it will say fatal. Now it will not come out only. Okay, see here. Unable to read. See, it is asking the username and password. Username and password, right? No, you don't cancel it. You people don't cancel it. I'm just showing. So it is asking the GitHub username and GitHub password. Okay. So again, I'm executing it. It will open like this. Click on the sign in. Click on the sign in. I think you have not given some files are there already, Sunny. Okay, wait. Sign in with your browser. Sign in with your browser. Permission denied. Why? I think your username and password and Sanket, is it the user, is it your office laptop or something like that, Sanket? Or maybe is it used for your seniors has used laptop or something from the college? No, someone has said this. No, someone has set the configuration in your laptop, Sanket. Someone has set the configuration in the laptop, in your laptop. Yeah. So Nishant has successfully done. Very good, Nishant. Okay, wait. So it is going to ask for the username and password. It is going to ask for the username and password. So what is the username? Your email. Email is a username. So I'm going to. Or you can use your this one also as a username, but username easy way is to remember is email. Just use the email. Then enter the password. I also forgot password here. Okay. I think, where are you? I think you are not in the right path, dear. There is no Git, it is not there. There is no Git at all. So just show me Git. This one. I will give you, Lakshmi. I'm preparing it. I'll give you tomorrow. Means tomorrow I'll share it on the chat itself. Because internet connection or maybe some connection issue, dear Kiran, that is the issue. I didn't need password because very good. Maybe you have not given any authentication while you are installing. You are clever. Yes. Accept it. No, Sid. Accept it. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Vakkar. But at least there should be some branch wala, right? Vakkar. There should be some branch kind of thing, no? Wait, I'm remembering my password. What password I have given, I don't know. Let me check. Oh, Deva. Okay. You need to press all arrows. Why, dear? This side, right? Okay, 1 second, dear. Let me do one thing. Yo. హ్యాండ్ డైరెక్షన్ లోనే పెడుతున్నాను కదా. This side only, right? This is an image in this side only, right? This one is this side. This is angle is this corner, right? Enter. Okay. Hi, Doma. I'm doing the same right here. So like this. Wait, I'll go with audio.
Option 1. Option 2. Option 3.
One second. Don't panic me. Just give me a minute. Now it's right. Okay. 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 Wait, 1 second. Vishal, I'll check the output also. Wait. So just give me some time. I'll check your messages also. Give me 2 minutes. I need to remember the password here, otherwise it will be difficult. Multiple accounts are there. How I'll remember password? Just a minute. Sign in with your browser. It will open it in the by default browser. Okay. Just enter the username and password. Right? Never. Now go to this authorize Git ecosystem. Okay. Authorize Git ecosystem. Authentication succeeded. Once you get the authentication succeeded, it will try to push the data. Done. This is the output. This is the output. Now, if you go to this GitHub, right? See here, your files will be seen. Your files will be seen. See here, HRMS application, click on this, right? Are you able to see the files here also? Very good, Bhavna. Guys, this is the output you need to get, okay? And you, oh, very good, Surabhi. So you need to see the files in the GitHub also. You need to see the files in the GitHub also. Thank you, Akar. Right. So, so this is how you can push the data from local to the remote. This is how you can push the data from the local to the remote. Okay. So again, I'll explain this remote wala. Tomorrow, once again, I'll explain how I can create a new one and the. Yes, I'll show it again. Yes, I'll show it once again. Yes. Very good. Yes, uploading will done automatically, dear. No worry. You don't need to upload. From local, it will go and put it the files in the remote. Okay, share this, share the image. So, I'll see what is the mistake you're doing. Okay, now, very good, Mitra. Congratulations. Okay. So anyone have any questions? Raghu, you said like, ma'am, when I can ask questions? Nothing you need to do. That's it. It will automatically will do, no? I didn't do anything. Once you log in, automatically you will get this output. Are you getting this output or not? Very good, Sanjay. Superb. Once you get the output, go back to your GitHub and see in this particular repository whether the files are there or not. Did you give your attendance also, Sid? Yesterday also I have explained you are absent, Makar. I expected. Yesterday you were absent, right? Yeah, if you are done, you can go back. You can leave the session. Sid. If you don't have any questions, you can leave for the day. Yes, it's fine. No worries. No worries, Bhavna. That's fine. Repository, I can say here. In the plain English term, it's the same thing. Repository meaning is, right, where you can, one container, where you can place something stored, correct? Okay, so that is the repository. Same here, you can store your code in the repository. Okay, tomorrow I'll show it, Vaishnav, once again, don't worry. So it is not, there is a difference file. Okay, file and folder. Folder and repository, it's slight difference is there. In folder, you can read the data, correct? Okay, but in repository, it is in the encoded format. It will be in the encoded format. Tomorrow I'll show it, Sama, don't worry. Attendance link is shared by Amar. I didn't copy it, dear. Packages and configurations will not be there inside it here. See, repo encoded format, it will be there. It's not packages or configurations. Okay. But folder also will have configurations. Now, when you are installing this Windows, you are configuring the folder system also, no dear. That is not like that. Okay, it is like, so some encoding and decoding format will be there. You can see here. Right? So folder is for the OS operating system where you can file documents, images, and videos. Repository is a version control system where developers and software engineers store it. Java, I will always say Java only. My vote is always for Java only, Raghu. AI, very few people only they are recruiting. I think you means 403 access denied means Abhishek Shenoy, do you have any what you call it as previously did you attended any Git training or did you use Git anytime? That's the issue here. So because of that only it is giving this error. I'm seeing it, Sinu. Give me a minute. Just I'm observing it. Branch tomorrow I'll discuss, Bhavana. Don't worry. Very good, Vakar. That's fine. You are pursuing or completed BSc. BSc is a problem. Complete MCA, Vakar. Because BSc, they are not recruiting in much companies. You have not executed, Nidya, you have not executed the Git remote. This command you have not executed. See, because if you have already completed or if you are already completed masters, right? In I could have referred you for my company. .NET requirement is there in my company now. Presently, we need a .NET people, but we need a people who have completed MCA or BTech. And I know you are good in technical, so I could have referred you. No, both you can learn. Kiran, both you can learn. I will explain that, Sandhya. Don't worry. Tomorrow I'll explain it. Okay. Once again, I'll explain the remote and I'll explain hyphen you also. Class you did, huh? Very good, Samar. Congratulations, Samar. Very good. What happened, Samar? You are sharing my image only. Thank you. See, most of the companies, Wipro is there, okay, which will hire for BSc also, BC, BSc, BCA, BCom and all, they're hiring, okay. But if you want proper promotions, right, like proper path in the career path, proper career path, right, better to complete MCA also, Vakar. First, they will see resume. Bachelor's means they are rejecting, boss. What to do? Thank you, Samath. Have a nice sleep. Git remote space hyphen v, dear. Small v, space hyphen v, small v, not capital V. Git remote space hyphen v, like this. Git remote space hyphen v. Small v, not capital V. There is a difference is there for small v and capital V, Kiran. It's case sensitive, ma. Remote, not remove, remote. Sorry. Remote, R-E-M-O-T-E, remote, not remove. Okay. Very good, Santosh. You can disconnect. You just delete the .git folder, it will get disconnected. Okay. If you remove, tomorrow I'll show that. Yes. Tomorrow I'll show that. How to disconnect it. See, that is the generation one, Kiran. Okay. Right? People, this generation, particularly what I observed is, right? Establishing the connections is very difficult to this corona generation. Okay. But connections are very important. You need to keep the connections for the longer time. You know, when I trained the first batch, right, that people also is still in contact. Even though if they don't say hi also, for every birthday of them in my Facebook, I'll wish them happy birthday. So that doesn't mean that every day you have to be in touch with them, but you need connections. Proper connections are needed. Just now we have established the connection. Sanket is asking how to disconnect, ma'am. Huh? Sanket. What, Sanket? Hey, I'm joking, Sanket. Don't take it serious, huh? Okay. Any offerings for 2024? 2023 we are recruiting, Riddhi. 2024 we will see next year. Next year, no, you are completing. Not now, right? Let's see. Finger cross. If I'm in the same company, we'll do it. Okay, guys, thank you all. Okay. So, hope you enjoyed the session and understood the session contents today, right? So, love you all. We'll meet tomorrow again. Thank you so much. Surendra, done, no? You are understanding, right, Surendra? Good night, Sanket. Okay, thank you so much, Sanket. Ahmad gave certification for me. Yes. Sinu, I'll help you. I'll help you. Sure, I'll help you. Yes. I'll help everyone tomorrow. Don't worry. Because today I forgot the password. Little time it has taken to reset my password. Sorry for that. Have a nice day, Shanaj. Thank you, Kushi. Thank you so much, everyone. Amar, I'm leaving for the day, dear.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
So guys, I hope all good. You are accessing the LMS and you are not facing any difficulty. If yes, you have any query or question for me, please let me know in the chat box. I will just take it up for 2-3 minutes and then we'll wind up. Great session. Thank you. Any query or question, guys? If no, then just let me know in the chat box. No query or question. I will wind up. Yes, Kiran, you can ask. Sir, the session was amazing as always. Thanks for that. I'm from Rizvi College. Oh, great. Rizvi College from Mumbai, right? Which is the best, sir? MCA or MBA? Which one we need to choose? So, Kiran, it's depend on currently what are you doing. If you're from tech background and if you're interested and if you feel that I'm perfect in coding or as database, so definitely you can go for the MCA only. BCA, Bachelor of Computer Applications. Yes, you can go for see anyone have a interest in front end or as a back end or as a database, you can find it out which field you have to choose, right? Find your interest, work on your interest, definitely you will get the good package and work on yourself. Sir, I was attended last 3 classes, but I'm not able to write in that blank. Please provide attendance for last 3 classes. Extremely sorry. When we'll get the full stack certificate, we already started rolling it out. So if your friend is received, no need to worry. You will also receive your attendance is more than 60% within 2 days. You're welcome, Kiran. And Kiran, one more thing. See, if you feel that no, the coding is not for me, definitely the second option is MBA. Or else nowadays there are many more things like data analytics, business analytics, then testing is there, data science is there. Don't get confused as if you are in the last year. I know Python only, sir. That is why I asked. Yeah, you can work as a Python developer as well, not an issue. But see, if you're working on a Python, be a Pythonist, a top from all. So you have to be a somewhere as compared to the competitors. Okay. So guys, one thing is there. See, so in the 10th, our parents will be like, or our parents was be like, hey, Amar, you have to study for this year only. Once you're done with your 10th, no need to study. Same thing I heard in the 12th as well. Hey, Amar, you have to do a study for this 12th only. Then you no need to study. Same I heard for the graduation. But I realized that at the time of graduation or post-graduation, it's a perfect time to study. Once I get the job, no one is going to say me, hey, Amar, why you're not studying? Because with the work, at the time of work, you're learning many more things. You're building yourself. You're earning plus learning, right? So it's time to do a hard work. So I'm requesting each of you, give you 100%. Don't waste a time on faltu things. Okay, you can use the Instagram. I'm not saying no, but simultaneously go for the LinkedIn as well. Search what's going in the market, connects with a few of the HR. Okay, so these things you need to do if you're in the final year, not in the final year as well. If you just started your graduation as well, start searching, start connecting, start improving yourself. Okay, so applying for masters is good or job. Runali, it's depend on a package and your job role. Attendance link, ma'am. Ma'am is not there, but Pratiksha, I will share that. Sorry, Kiran, I shared with you. See, each and everything you need to learn from the Python. As you have a good command on a Python, anyone can ask any question. You have to be answerable for that. I got my full stack developer certificate. Thank you, Mehboob. Guys, any another question or query? At least say no if there is no question or query. Just be interactive every time. Can I get a reference through Excel for job? For job, we have another courses. In that, we have type up with a couple of companies, and we have internship and course structure of 6 months. Is there any courses going on or upcoming for full stack developer? As of now, there is no any plan for short term, but if it's there, definitely will inform you. Sir, can you tell how I get the full stack certificate, Shweta? If your attendance is more than 60%, you will receive it via registered email ID within 2 days. Few of the participants already received it today. Okay, so please wait for the same. If within 2 days, if you feel that, hey, my attendance is more than 60%, still I not receive my certificate. Why, sir? Why? What is the issue? Why you're not certifying me? No need to worry. Drop an email to edl@exla.com. Our team will check your attendance and they will let you know. Okay, thank you, sir. I will first clear automation, sir. Then yes, definitely, Kiran. All the best. Anybody else have any question? You two participants are good to go. 32 are there. That's just okay. Thank you, sir. Yes, only participation certificate. 20 hours training program. Course completion means you have to put your 100% with 200 or 300 plus hours with the project, with the internship, live project, many more things, right? Okay, so on this note, there is no any question in my chat box. So I consider we're good to conclude for the day. So dear participant, thank you so much for joining and making this day successful. I hope you are gaining a lot and you will gain a lot from this training program. So till the time, till the tomorrow evening, good night. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family and keep coding, keep growing.